Electric bikes, or e-bikes, have become increasingly popular in recent years as people look for a more eco-friendly and efficient way to get around. And one e-bike that's really making waves is the Ado Air e-bike. The Ado Air is a sleek and lightweight electric bike that's perfect for commuting, running errands, or just enjoying a leisurely ride. With its powerful motor and long-lasting battery, you can easily cruise at speeds of up to 28 miles per hour and travel up to 60 miles on a single charge. The Ado Air is powered by a high-performance mid-drive motor that provides a smooth and powerful ride. And thanks to its intuitive pedal assist system, you'll feel like you have superhuman strength as you effortlessly climb hills and tackle steep inclines. The Ado Air's battery is also one of its standout features, with a capacity of 14 amp-hours and 48 volts. This battery provides plenty of power to keep you going all day long, and with a quick charging time of just 4 to 6 hours, you'll be back on the road in no time. But what really sets the Ado Air apart is its sleek and modern design. With its slim frame and stylish color options, this e-bike is sure to turn heads wherever you go. And with its lightweight aluminum construction, you can easily carry it upstairs or onto public transportation when necessary. The Ado Air e-bike is truly the perfect combination of style, performance, and convenience. Whether you're commuting to work, running errands, or just enjoying a leisurely ride, this electric bike has everything you need to make the most of your time on the road. The cost of this e-bike is around $1,200. Introducing the Delfast California e-bike, the ultimate electric bike for those who crave adventure and want to push the limits of what's possible. This e-bike is packed with features that will make your ride smoother, more comfortable, and more fun than ever before. The Delfast California is powered by a high-performance motor that can reach speeds of up to 28 miles per hour. Whether you're cruising through the city or hitting the trails, this motor provides plenty of power to get you where you need to go. It has a rugged and durable design. With its full suspension system and fat tires, this e-bike can handle any terrain you throw at it. And with its lightweight aluminum construction, you can easily carry it upstairs or onto public transportation when necessary. The Delfast California also features an intuitive control system that allows you to adjust the bike's settings to your liking. Whether you want to go faster, conserve battery life, or change the level of pedal assist, this system makes it easy to customize your ride. So if you're looking for an e-bike that can handle anything and take you anywhere, cost of this bike is $2,700. The Nireeka Revenant full suspension trail e-mountain bike is a game-changing electric bike with integrated ABS. The bike is made by Nireeka. This bike is a full-suspension electric mountain bike that comes with a 1,000-watt motor, a top speed of 35 miles per hour, and a range of 50 miles. A standard model that costs $2,105. The Nireeka Revenant full-suspension e-bike is perfect for those who want to take their mountain biking to the next level. With its powerful motor, full suspension system, and integrated ABS, the bike is designed to handle even the toughest trails. The bike is also very affordable, making it a great option for those who want to try out an electric mountain bike without breaking the bank. If you're looking for a powerful and affordable electric mountain bike, with its full suspension system, powerful motor, and integrated ABS, it's the perfect way to take your mountain biking to the next level. The lightest e-bike kit is a compact, light, and affordable mid-drive e-bike system that can give your bike electric superpowers. The kit is made by Bike SR LL. The lightest e-bike kit is the most compact and light mid-drive e-bike system available. It comes in two versions, a 250-watt motor and 250-watt-hour battery version that costs $549, and a 1,000-watt motor and 840-watt-hour battery version that costs $949. The kit is easy to install and can be attached to any bike. This e-bike kit is perfect for those who want to turn their regular bike into an electric bike without having to spend a lot of money. With its compact size and light weight, The kit is easy to carry around and can be installed in minutes. The kit is also very affordable, making it a great option for those who want to try out an electric bike without breaking the bank. If you're looking for an affordable and easy way to turn your regular bike into an electric bike, the lightest e-bike kit is an excellent choice. With its compact size, lightweight, and affordable price, it's the perfect way to get started with electric biking. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content, and as always, thanks for watching.